welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a how to revamp a old wig because I looked this up and I just couldn't find detailed videos. I'm going to do a very detailed video for you guys and show you guys exactly step by step what I do to revamp my old wig. And yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to get right into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get right into it. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to take my edge booster and I'm going to lay down my edges so they don't get caught in the got-to-be gel or the glue.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying.
Okay, now I'm gonna take my edge brush and I'm gonna just brush the edges back. Make sure they're completely out the way. Straight back as well, not no edge style, none of that. Straight back like this. Completely back. Okay, now I'm gonna take a mini scrunchie and put my braids in a little bun in the back of my head, and I'm gonna let this dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry. All right, y'all, I had to run out and get wig caps, so it's gonna, I don't know if it's gonna look different, but I had to run out and get wig caps, y'all. I don't have no wig caps. And now I'm just putting some grease on my parts because your hair is going to be underneath something, so you want your hair to be as moisturized and as taken care of underneath that wig as possible.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't want to tell you to drop it, but I don't want to play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Alright, the grease I'm using is called Do Grow Hair Vitalizer Mega Thick. Promotes thick, strong, and healthy hair. It's blue. I like this grease. It's not too heavy on your scalp, and I really do like it. I got the wig cap that matches my complexion to me the most, and I think it matches me the most. It's called light brown.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the cup green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I get it, what you need. I know what you like. I feel it falling. Tell me something, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get better. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Just me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. My whole setup I got going on. It's a whole lot. My furniture isn't here yet, so don't even mind that. But what I'm about to do now is I put 3 layers of the glue. My glue has dried, and now I'm about to just take out my edges on the wig that I want and basically lay them down.
It's they y'all say, yo, y'all say it ain't lingerie on that Chardonnay. Scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barway and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack. I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't cut me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn. Say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I wake up looking this good. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want, I'm the shit. I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Yeah, look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah, look so good tonight.
Alright, y'all, so I'm up to the very last part of the process. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just hot combing to make sure everything is flat. I feel like I'm gonna end up making different edges too, because I don't know how many inches this is, but this is kind of long. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so this is like the middle of my head right here for real.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut dope in KTV, that door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no hand stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage to stay to the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been super.
Hey y'all, so it is 2 days later and I'm just now finishing this vlog. I mean this tutorial or whatever, but this is how it came out. It's literally 2 days old. I totally forgot to finish it. And yeah y'all, so it's super sleek. I need like a flat iron product to make it really flat, but it's doing what it's gotta do, baby. So I'm really feeling it. I think it's really cute to be a used wig. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see y'all in the rest of my videos. Bye.